I don't chase the world, I just move how I'm led. I trust every step even when I can't see it. I know what is mine is already with me. Yeah, I pour into me like I'm sacred and whole. I honor my body, my mind, and my soul. I speak life in silence, I bloom in the dark. I follow the rhythm that lives in my heart. I don't rush the timing, I don't question flow. What's meant to find me already knows. Everything is working out exactly like it's supposed to. I release control, let it go, let it hold me. I am safe, I am sure, I am right where I go to. Everything is working out exactly like it's supposed to.